Hello, so I've just purchased a faulty Xbox Series X here. It's looking fairly dusty, especially going by like that USB port down here. And they were telling me that it was overheating and turning off after about 10 minutes or so, which I've never really seen this error message before about it designed to automatically shut down due to insufficient ventilation. So I don't know where or how it was getting used, if it was in a cupboard or where it was, but I'm going to take the back off this and give this whole thing a dust blowout and hopefully get myself a very cheap Xbox. Let's open this up. Now heat it up back. So take off the stickers. So with the back off, I'm looking down here. It'll be a bit hard to see for you guys. Right here. No matter what you do, it's already suffocating in the box, in the Xbox. I want to take the fan out now as well, and I want to take the whole thing out. So yeah, just the amount of dust inside of here has just got it suffocated. Or at least I'm suspecting that's why it's cracking or crashing, especially if it's also in a cabinet. If it can't pass any air, it's not really going to do too much. Clean this out. Take this fan off. Come on, come on. Go. This slides out now. Great amount of dust there. Not so much dust on the top, but apparently the fan pushes the air, draws the air through the bottom and up to the top. That's probably why it's so much sitting down here. So, put this off to the side. Yeah, we've got a tab here to disconnect. And lift this up. And then I've got a tab down here, which I can't remember which way this one needs to go. Push it in. No. Pull it out. No, the pull tab just came off. Is that handy? Okay, got it. Now I should be able to take this out. Disconnect here. Here. Slide this up and out. This will need its own individual dust blowout, I reckon. Now in theory, if I expand the sides, inside's not looking great. There we go there. Power supply. It's time to go meet the air compressor. Bingo. Now we're clean as a whistle. So I'm going to get this reassembled. And then I'm going to fire it back up and load up a game on there and see how it goes for a bit. Reassembly went back just fine. And I think I do have a couple of Xbox One games available floating around. I'll have to have a bit of a look. I'm seeing Far Cry 4. for the Xbox One, not the Series S. I guess that will have to do. There we go. I'm happy that this sticker doesn't just break as soon as you try and stick it on, compared to earlier consoles.